Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ty with the Dividend Stock King. We have a real quick video. Our closed-ended funds that pay dividends are riskier investments. Okay, so risky investments with closed-ended funds. Now, before I begin, I want to say any stock. I'm not a financial advisor or getting financial advice or stock advice. Any stock, ETF, or closed-ended fund could be risky. Okay, there's some stocks that have high yield, some have low. So I found a lot of ETFs, a lot of stocks. So it's not just closed-ended funds. Closed-ended funds tend to be high risk. For example, CLM has a high dividend yield. The problem with it is that they cut their dividend. It was like 19 cents. They cut it to, I think, 15 cents. Because the dividend yield was so high. It's a $13 stock. Well, Robinhood you can't buy no more, which is crazy. But you cut the dividend. They cut the dividend. Now they're paying, let's see, 16 cents a share. It was 19 cents a share. 3 cents difference, which is okay, but honestly, any stock, ETF, closed-ended fund could be high risk with a high dividend yield. You have to do your research before you buy anything. Do I buy closed-ended funds? Yes. I tend not to, but my thing is ETFs and regular individual stocks is my thing. Okay, I was buying closed-ended funds, but most ones I bought, they cut the dividend by a lot. And Robinhood decided just you can't buy certain ones anymore. So I kind of weeded off of those and went to individual stocks and went to ETFs. So like I said, doesn't matter what it is, just as long as you do your research, you're confident what you're buying, see what's inside the fund, and do what you want to do. But are they tend to be risky? Yes, but there are a lot of ETFs that tend to be risky. There are stocks that tend to be risky as well. So it doesn't really, to me, it doesn't really matter. Honestly, it doesn't really matter to me because you still have to do research. I do the same research for individual stock, ETF, and closed-ended fund. So any stock that has a high dividend yield, like 15% or 20%. I seen ETFs pay 20%. I'm like, what? And they can't handle it as too big of a deal. So yeah, it doesn't really matter to me. So do your research. The key is do your research. Okay, do your research before you do anything in the stock market. Listen to any person online. Do your own research. All right. So my name is Tyler from AskKing.com. Thanks for watching.